Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called the volume, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we can adjust the sound volume by tapping on the icons on the left and right side of the slider. You can also enable and disable the silent mode if you like to. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.